Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change VW Tiguan wiper blades. First, ensure you have the correct replacement blades for your vehicle. Next, carefully lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into its service position. Place a soft towel or cloth on the windshield beneath the wiper arm to prevent damage if it accidentally springs back. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now let's remove the old wiper blade. Look for a small tab or button where the blade connects to the arm. Press this tab firmly and then slide the old blade downwards or outwards, depending on your specific model, to detach it. Hold onto the wiper arm securely throughout this step. It's crucial to prevent the arm from snapping back against the windshield, which could cause damage. With the old blade removed, it's time to install the new one. Carefully align the new wiper blade with the hook or connector on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade upwards or inwards until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked into place. Once both new blades are attached, gently lower each wiper arm back onto the windshield. Finally, test your new wiper blades. Turn on your vehicle and activate the windshield washer fluid to observe their performance. Ensure the blades make full contact with the glass and provide streak-free wiping across the entire windshield. This confirms proper installation and optimal visibility. Remember to regularly inspect your blades for wear and tear to maintain clear vision. Also, for some great deals, including on smart speakers, be sure to check out the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.